I'm Tiara Z. Morales from Seven Genesis. My science teacher is Ma'am Renata Sarin. The concept for this dress is paper phoenix, which means transformation, how paper can be recycled and repurposed. And the dress is made from recyclable materials like telephone directories, paper plates, and paper cups.